What's up, guys? We back with another video. Last video of the Monarchs, but
last video was game.
well, last video of today. But let's just
last video today.
Yeah, because I'm coming here. I'm doing two different. I do 3 different series on Madden.
I'm too strong and I'm too tough. I'm gonna put my belt on the line because you're not fast enough. Well, it's the big
show.
It's a 4v1, and if I still lose,
what's bussin'? More to get this, my dear. I'm still not too great, it's my dear, but not.
I'm too strong and I'm too tough. You never did this to me. Yup, here's my shovel. You took my shovel. Nobody takes my shovel, boy. Put my shovel down. Yo! I'm too strong and I'm too tough. You never gonna get me cause you not fast enough.
Wait. Yeah. Hold up. I know. Dang, well.
Come out, boy. Come out. Hey!
Oh yeah, I was.
Red, pay attention! Hey! Go Junior!
Good Junior is crazy.
Hey! I let you. Hey!
Alright. Go, Junior.
Shimmy, shimmy, ya.
Drake. Fa la la la. Drake.
La, 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 la. Just take that risk. I'm so not gonna be able to take that trip. I thought Wolf was stick like a witch. You should have. Y'all, let me get the. Yeah. No! Stop it! Stop. boy. Hell no! I'm a professional master.
I'm a better one.
You can talk the talk, but can you do the talk?
Yeah, I think so. I know so, actually. Scouting focus player. Right guard. Right end.
Should I slam him through the announce tables?
I don't know.
All I want is you. I'm gonna slam him. You fat ass nigga, nigga. Nigga, nigga. You fat ass nigga, nigga. Nigga, nigga. You fat ass nigga, nigga. Nigga, nigga. You fat ass nigga, nigga.
Who else should I get? These Ricks is crazy.
Take that this option level everyone to catch it. And I woke up to stick like a witch. You should have cut on my lip. Head tapping from under the tree. So easy. Flip that way. Ah!
My heart too great for us, my dear. Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Mama. Oh my.
My food, I like.
I love you good.
Touch my sweat.
It's you. I love you good. Oh mama. Oh my hood.
I look fly. I look good. Touch my sweat. My her.
I look fly. I look good.
Skinner. Finally. He's an X Factor?
My swag.
He's an X Factor. I didn't know he was an X Factor. That's so good for his development. It's like it's like Sean Murphy. Cause you know he's an X Factor too, but like. Yo. Alright, bro. We starting to win games. You know what I'm saying? Brandon Ayuk keeping Deontay Bakes. I don't know. La Tula? I don't know. No, 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 no. Alright. So we know who we are keeping. Let's see his player card. See stats. We'll keep him. We'll keep him. Let's see about Deontay Banks. He's a.
Why? As soon as I was going to my game turns off.
2 deflections. See. He's looking good right now. On pace to get that. Maybe that too. Maybe. I don't know about this. Catches allowed 20. He's allowed 0? Yo. First fumbles. Like, he's 1, 2. What's up, baby lol, Jay? I gotta keep both of them. Nah, I don't got Xbox. Alright, let's get straight into this game.
Today, from London, England, it's the NFL International Series on EA Sports. It's the London Monarchs taking on the San Francisco 49ers.
EA Sports coverage of the National Football League brings us to one of the great cities of the world, London, England. Coming up, another installment of the NFL International Series, and it should be a great one, as it'll be the San Francisco 49ers and the London Monarchs. The NFL season has hit high gear, and off we go in Week 11 on EA Sports. And he'll go down as this drive will start at the 25-yard line.
I forgot. Triple Lawrence, Chris Godwin.
Going to the air right away, Lawrence.
Not the Debo package anymore. It's the Godwin package.
And he's upended at the 33, following a good pickup of 8. Here's a 2nd and 2 now from the 33. Lawrence running right.
He's cooked. How does he not fumble?
He'll grab 3 yards on the play, taking it himself for the first down.
Do it, bro.
Lawrence will throw. He dumps it to Eckler underneath. And a 6-yard gain gets him right around the 43. Line of scrimmage, the 43 on 2nd and 4. They'll run for the first time with
Yes.
Eckler. It'll be a loss of a couple on the play, so now 3rd down coming up. They are in need of 6 yards here if they hope to move the chains. On 3rd down, Lawrence.
Oh my.
tackles. And he's going to be out of bounds, but not before he takes it inside the 40. So on the other side of the field now, it's 1st and 10 as they've got things rolling on this drive. Eckler, they run left side. And that one opened up for him well as he'll take this down to the 26-yard line.
Yep, that's what I thought. Get up. Why did you? Okay.
Oh, and one of the linemen on the other side has got it. And they take possession of the football and have it at the 36-yard line. And without a doubt, not the way they pictured that opening drive unfolding.
No, they were making progress. They weren't exactly in high gear, but they were making a few yards along the way. And now that they've coughed it up, they got to go back to the sidelines and regroup a little bit.
Pick. Oh my.
And this incomplete. An excellent play downfield on the football. Might have had a shot to pick it off even, but it's 2nd down.
Means up. PI, let's go. We'll take PI.
And that's going to wind up incomplete. However, we do have a flag down. Let's check in with our referee. So a costly penalty yardage-wise as that'll move the football down to the spot of the foul.
And what the officials are looking for in these situations, whether you're playing the man or the
B top. Toes.
Now a battle for the football. It's caught. It's a touchdown. Brandon Ayuk managing to stay in bounds. And the Monarchs take the early turnover and convert it into an opening touchdown. Extra point right down the middle. And it's now a 7-0 game. Well, with this rookie QB, we talk a lot about his ball placement and how good he can be at laying it right in there. I think we just saw, Charles, though, the strength of that arm. That was an absolute rifle for the completed touchdown.
It absolutely was, and let's face it, you think he was really ready to get that first touchdown? Absolutely. He threw that pass with authority, just as you described. Big-time arm right there, and let's face it, a lot of quarterbacks used to be pitchers in baseball. The fastball was usually their best pitch, and we saw it there.
They started on the ground with Eckler, and he's going to be hemmed in and brought down right at the line of scrimmage. Officially nothing on that last run. They'll try again 2nd and 10. On the option, here's Eckler.
Why are you going backwards?
He went nowhere. He'll lose yardage back to the 29. They wind up losing a couple there, so they go behind the original line of scrimmage, and now 3rd and 11 coming up.
I feel like this is
The shotgun, Lawrence. And that's complete.
Travis. Nice tackle.
And he's going to come up a few yards short of the first. They get him to the ground at the 37. So on 4th down, here's the Australia native Mitch Wishnowski to punt this one away. Back to return it, Christian McCaffrey. And this one hits at the 1, continues on into the end zone for a touchback. The offense now at the line, ready for their next drive. They've got a 7-0 lead in the football as well as they start out 1st and 10. They start on the ground with McCaffrey, and he is going to lose yardage.
Come on.
Here. The big loss on 1st down leads to a tricky 2nd down, 18 yards to go. He'll fire this
Oh
deep
my.
for Ayuk. This
Oh, he
throw
sucks.
incomplete, nearly picked off. And with his pedigree, he doesn't drop many of those. But 3rd down coming up. Here's a play fake as they set up to throw.
Where's the?
And he's taken down. Back in his own 7. And how about this? 4th and long, and they're going to go for it. They're going to try and throw. Here's one
Dot.
for Pickens.
PI, let's go.
Caught, but they'll say out of bounds. So it's incomplete.
Let's go.
So a big chunk
That's why we go for those, baby.
there for that PI call.
And now you know why receivers and the guys throwing the ball
Heads
have
up.
to collaborate and just heave it up sometimes, because you can get these types of calls that go against the defense. Pass interference, and they gain over 30 yards of real estate on that one.
From the 34, now here's 1st and 10. Escaping the pressure right. And he slides.
Because I would just scramble if you just gonna come from the sides.
Decent yardage.
Oh yeah, another one of those.
2nd and 3.
I'm calling it too.
To throw.
Touchdown. Never mind.
And
Oh
on the
my, like,
sideline, he caught it, but out of bounds.
it's because I got
According to the
hit.
linesman. Incomplete, so the ball's
Ayuk
with a
really
lead getting
only
there.
one
It's third
that could
down. He's gonna take a
touchdown.
shot for the end zone.
He
Back to the
still
end
got
zone.
that.
Can he get his feet down?
How?
No, it's incomplete.
How? He didn't cut that? He didn't catch that? I thought he got his feet down. Yeah, he caught that. His legs down. Look. One. Oh. Yeah, his whole leg is. What about the other leg? Yeah. I don't know. Can't tell. I don't think he got it. Or just challenge it. I don't know. It's kind of hard to look at. Yeah.
So not successful there on the challenge, and he'll have to be careful from here on out because he'll only have one challenge remaining. Forced out to his left.
Yeah, I knew that was going to happen.
Down, but he does have first down yardage. Out of the gun, they'll look to throw.
Oh my! He's him.
George Pickens hitting double digits with his 10th touchdown of the season. And the Monarchs are off to a 13-0 first quarter lead.
He actually said his statement that he's him.
And that'll make the score.
Oh my gosh. Can we score? Alright, bro. Now y'all wildin'.
So not much time to speak of remaining in this first half as the kick's away.
12 seconds. Y'all think we can score in 12 seconds?
And this will be moved out to the 25. The offense
I think we
back out
can.
there at the line, ready for their next drive. And with 10 seconds left, not really enough time to put
PI.
something together. And that one incomplete, but now a penalty flag coming in late. That might be PI. So flag for the contact, pass interference.
And I know that you're going to look at me and roll your eyes, and rightfully so, because you know what I'm going to say. Doesn't the defender have a right
Pia, what did I say? What did I say? Should we go for field goal though?
And that penalty will move the ball to the 1
Gotta go for it.
So difficult to cover a fade route, and you're talking about into the end zone, and sometimes you panic a little as a defender, and the offensive guys
We got
are
it.
really smart. Sometimes
Let's go, Jalen Milrow!
for a touchdown. A great play there as time expires in the first half. And the Monarchs have tied the ball game with a chance to take the lead into the locker room.
Let's freaking go. One by one.
We'll put them on top here in the third. Halftime over. No
And we get ball at half. I didn't even know that.
third quarter and continue this midseason contest. As they say here in London, all to play for as we are back underway. in the
Ankles.
second
Never mind.
half.
We still good. We fighting for those.
This drive just across the 30. Pretty nice work on the return.
It's just,
Offense now at the
oh,
line, ready for their next drive.
depends. How much time am I gonna get?
Going here on first down.
A lot. And I get hit, so that's a pick. Why do they suck? They usually catch those all the time.
But it's incomplete. Well, a turnover really would have helped him there, but not to be. He'll try again with the
Oh,
arm
I
on
did not
second
catch that.
down. And that falls to the ground, incomplete. A nice job of
They're George
blocking
Pickens.
defensively, and now it brings
That's
up
literally the
third
only
down.
good defense player. He's wide open too. Touchdown.
And that's caught inside the 30. Touchdown. George Pickens with touchdown number 2 in the game and now 11 on the year. And the Monarchs come right out of the locker room and score here in the opening minute of the third.
Bro, we should be able to, like, end this game.
Right down the middle.
Like,
The lead is up
why
to
did it take so long?
and the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball. 2 minutes to go. And the Monarchs have the ball
We're by 2 scores. Stop. Gotta stop. Let's go. Right. Let's go. Like, you know what if we don't throw this to freaking Georgie Pickens, Bean Top game.
George Pickens, 26 yards.
Like, that's game, bro. Let's go. Let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking go. Last episode of the day on the Monarchs. That's the Monarchs. Man. Like, yes, sir. Let's freaking go. Let's go. 4-6. We actually might make it to the playoffs. Breakout receiver. That has to be George Pickens. Alright, guys. The next episode will be like on Monday, so on this. So see y'all next episode. Peace.